Okay, we're going to see how we can express cos mx and sin mx in terms of cos x and sin x. So to do that, we use the De Moivre theorem and also we use binomial expansion. We use De Moivre's theorem and binomial expansion. We have examples here. Example number 1, express cos 3x and sin 3x in terms of cos x and sin x. So remember here you can use also trigonometry to express this one. You can use factor formula to express cos 3x in terms of cos only and express sin 3x in terms of sin x. So now we're going to see how can we express that by using complex number. Remember by De Moivre theorem, it says that when you have cos angle plus I sin angle power n, it becomes cos n angle plus I sin n angle. That's how it says. So which means that our cos x plus I sin x power 3, the answer is cos 3x plus I sin 3x, which is true by using the Moivre theorem. So now, by using binomial expansion, or theorem. So what is cos x plus I sin x power 3? What is that? This one equal to what? But remember, when you have a plus b power 3, the answer is combination from 0 to 3, a power 3, b power 0, plus combination 1, 3, a power 2, b power 1, plus combination 2 to 3, a b squared, plus combination 3 to 3, a power 0, b power 3. A power 0, b power 3. So it becomes combination 0, 3, that is 1, which is a power 3 only, plus 3 a squared b, plus 3 ab squared, plus this is 1, b power 3. So which is a plus b power 3. So which means that our cos x plus I sin x power 3. So what is our a? Our a is cos x. What is our b? I sin x. So this is cos power 3 x plus 3 cos squared x, because our a is cos x, into bracket I sin x, plus 3 cos x into bracket I sin x squared, plus I sin x power 3. So meaning that, it means that cos x cos x plus I sin x power 3, the answer is cos power 3x, then plus 3I sin x cos squared x. I squared is negative, minus 3 cos x sin squared x. I power 3 is negative I, minus I sin power 3 x. So meaning that cos x plus I sin x power 3, the answer is, we're going to group together real part and imaginary part together. That is cos power 3x minus 3 cos x sin squared x, then plus I into bracket 3 sin x cos squared minus sin power 3x sin power 3x. So which means that this is the answer for binomial expansion. So we're going to compare this answer with that one given by De Moivre's theorem. So this is cos x plus I sin x power 3, which is equal to this one. And also, this is cos x plus I sin x power 3 equal to this one. So their answers must be equal. So that is to say, cos 3x by De Moivre's theorem, cos x plus I sin x power 3 by De Moivre's theorem, the answer is cos 3x plus I sin 3x. The answer equal to cos power 3x minus 3 cos x sin squared x plus I into bracket 3 sin x cos squared x minus sin power 3x. You know, when you for the equality of complex numbers, the real part of the left-hand side equal to the real part of right-hand side. Imaginary part of the left-hand side must be equal to the imaginary part of right-hand side. So which means that cos 3x will be equal to cos power 3x minus 3 cos x sin squared. And also sin 3x will be equal to 3 sin x cos squared x minus sin power 3x. So let us first deal with cos 3x. For cos 3x, which is equal to cos power 3x minus 3 cos x sin squared x. Remember that sin squared x equal to 1 minus cos squared x. You know that when you have cos squared x plus sin squared x equal to what? 1. Therefore, when you make sin squared as the subject of the formula, we get sin squared x equal to 1 minus cos squared. So therefore, cos 3x equal to cos power 3x minus 3 cos x into, I'm converting this one in terms of cos because I need to cos 3x in terms of cos only. Then 1 minus cos squared x. So this is cos power 3x minus 3 cos x times 1, that's 3 cos x. 3 cos x times negative 4 squared, that's positive 3 cos power 3x. So you see now, our cos 3x will be equal to cos power 3x plus 3 cos power 3x plus 3 cos power 3x That is 4 cos power 3x minus 3 cos x. So therefore, cos 3x, its answer is 4 cos power 3x minus 3 cos x. You see, I have written cos 3x in terms of cos x only. So this is the value of cos 3x. So what is the value of sin 3x? So sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x cos squared minus sin power 3x. Remember that cos squared x equal to 1 minus sin squared. From cos squared x plus sin squared x equal to 1, when we make cos squared as subject of the formula, we get cos squared x equal to 1 minus sin squared. Then sin 3x, the answer is 3 sin x into bracket 1 minus sin squared x, then minus sin power 3x. So this is sin 3 sin x, 3 sin x times 1, 3 sin x. 3 sin x times negative sin squared, that is negative 3 sin power 3x minus sin power 3x. Finally, sin 3x, the answer is 3 sin x minus 3 sin power 3x minus sin power 3x, that is minus 4 sin power 3x. So that is the answer. So which means that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin power 3x. So that is sin 3x in terms of sign only. I hope there is no any question. Yeah, thank you.